Hello, fellow anime lover. Another anime recommendation for you guys. That time I got reincarnated as a slime. It follows a 37-year-old Tokyo salaryman, Satoru Mikami, who is stabbed to death and reborn in a fantasy world as a powerful blue slime. He builds a flourishing, peaceful nation of monsters, while mastering world-shaking abilities and making powerful allies. That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime is widely considered an excellent and highly entertaining isekai anime. It stands out for its creative world-building, wholesome humor, and unique twist on the power fantasy genre, though it can become slow-paced in later seasons.